Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, Bricks That Clicks. So we have bedding in, some new bedding with custom return bedding. The crazy stuff with this, we got 6 pallets of it in. Super excited. We only paid 840 bucks. So that comes down to $140 per pallet, and I can see already this is easy money. Easy money. So we'll get into it
already.
Yeah.
I know how.
Cause look at this right here looks good. The pillow looks amazing. Like who doesn't want this pillow? So we'll find out soon enough.
Nobody wants it now that you laid on it.
It's worth more now that I touched it.
Oh, I don't think so.
So we'll see what we got. So far, little pillow. We're not gonna go through with prices on it. You can just assume, I mean, they're comforter sets.
Pillows.
Pillows.
Seriously. Body pillows. You got tons of body pillows. Tons of body pillows.
I mean, you gotta figure, even if, let's say those body pillows, 20 bucks a piece. There's 80 bucks right there. And then we paid 140 for the shipment. We haven't even got to the comforter shop. So here's an 8-piece queen comforter set, Dayton. It's a nice set. And it's brand new. Look at this, it's still sealed.
Nice. Those ones are worth good money.
Yeah, brand new comforter set. There it is. So right now I would say we broke even with the pillows in this, everything else is profit. That's a fair statement. What do you think this is? 60 bucks, 80 bucks?
Probably 60 bucks.
60
What's the
bucks?
size?
Queen?
Yeah.
Whoa. Maybe. Look at this. Is this
That one
that's a
for
simply
sure.
chick or
Yeah.
shabby chick?
Yeah. That one's good money.
This is good money. Brand new, original price on it, 90 bucks. It was a clearance item, so it got sent back. Probably reached its life of retail.
Shelf life.
Shelf life. Brand new, probably 60, 80 bucks.
This one's used, so what we'll end up doing is looking it up, see how much it's worth. If it's worth selling, we'll go through, verify all the pieces are in there. Or, you know, if it's missing, usually I think we were missing the shams.
Shams we don't worry about.
Yeah, so we'll take like maybe an extra 10 to 15 bucks off for the shams and sell it online. Still make pretty good
Yeah.
money on it.
Or, worst case, you send it to a local auction house, and I bet you bring 20, 30 bucks, you know, depending on how much you want to nickel and dime your shipment. So, another brand new $100 comforter set. This is the King Black Stripe. And we know it's new because the tags are sealed together. So this hasn't been opened yet. Another brand new one. This is, I'm gonna just throw it out there, home run shipment.
Well, everything's a home run shipment. Brand new, 50 bucks. Microfibers. Got dirt on the plastic, but who cares about dirt on the outside? Like you're just gonna throw this back.
It's all about the inside is what matters.
I see what you tried to do there.
You like that?
No, but I see it.
Another comforter set, Queen. This one's been open. But from past experience working in soft lines, I can tell you how many freaking people opens up in the store. And you get a lot of stores that once it's open, they'll send it back or whatnot. So double check it, but another nice comforter set.
Another shabby chick, 90 bucks.
Same one I got over there.
Is it the same one?
I bet you we can send these.
90
We can
bucks.
send these two things just pay for the whole shipment.
What? Another $50 one, full set. You tell them it's not open. Again, just dirty. Like you said before, this stuff probably just hits its shelf life. It's got clearance tags on it, so obviously they couldn't sell it, so they just sent it back.
There it is.
Another
Body pillow. Not too keen on the body pillow. I never really enjoyed body pillows. I'm intrigued by this big thing there.
I don't want to stuff it between the legs.
Both queen comforter set, 5-piece. Cortina, velvet. Cortina. Cortina. So it looks like it's been opened. We'll verify it. And it, you know, I don't see any dirt or anything, so it's probably just a repackaged item. And the salvage sticker doesn't necessarily mean it's salvage, destroy it. It's just salvageable through the company to recoup cost off of it, recoup money.
Yeah, it just means
Nothing. What are those?
pillows. Two
Honda.
standard pillows. Looks like it's a whole case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them.
We can sell it as a big lot and someone to buy them.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Lush Decor, Reina Blush. It's a full queen set. And it's brand new. So you can see, from the seal hasn't been broke, another brand new set.
There we go. You bring the safari to
It's like one of those mattresses that you can just roll down and
yeah.
just throw it down, lay it
Down the
out,
floor.
like a pillow thing.
Yeah. $40.
Probably an auction piece, but it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I do like that. I like it. We got another Opal House, $50 price tag on it. This one looks brand new. And the nice thing is you get a lot of the stuff is discontinued. If you needed to complete a set or something, they'll pay a premium for it. So instead of 50, you may be able to sell it for 60, 70, 80. You never know. But another brand new pillow piece. Not
With it
pillow
being
piece.
discontinued, you can't find it anywhere. It allows us to potentially increase the price.
And another one, Opal House. Another $50 brand new piece of bedding. And this is a cotton gauze comforter set. Twin XL. Boom.
Active Cool Pillow. Active Cool technology.
Yeah, I love my pillows.
I know. Do you want it?
Let me check this out. Active Cool.
Think it stays cool while you're sleeping.
I'm already a cool dude. It's just making double cool.
As cool as the other side of the pillow.
We'll find out. Moisture, waking fibers for cool, dry comfort. I don't know, it might be something I need to check out. I do like the pillows.
Take it home and test it. That's the best part about this.
I might as well just keep it because we're already deep in the profit. Pallet's already empty, and we have probably $100 in body pillows.
Yeah.
Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 comforters. 13 comforters. So even if you lowball these comforters at $20 a piece, you're still looking at some really good money that pays for the whole shipment.
Do the math on it. I was waiting.
What, 13 times 20? 260?
Yeah.
So it's worth way more than 260. I bet you that, you know, these are probably at least $50 a piece.
Yeah. And then we have the pillows.
Yeah. So good stuff. You know, I would say all in all, it's probably $700 to $900 worth of stuff that came out of this. You know, looking at what we have. And I'll flip you guys around, let you see it. But really good buy for $140.
And this was customer returns.
This was customer returns.
Maybe one item were sent to the
Yeah,
house.
and that's it. So we have throw pillows, 5 of them, whole box of pillows. We'll sell that as a whole. You got your comforters, which most of them were brand new, and then the ones that I threw over here, which you had, those were new. We'll check this one, and I don't remember that one. I think we need to check it, and then the auction piece.
I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you know? We
went through
made
it
money
real
on
quick.
this package.
All I know, if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. And
There
this
it
one
is.
made dollars.
There it is.
And we got 5 more pallets to go, and this
Okay.
pallet almost paid for all 6 of them.
Nice.
Yeah, because we paid 800 and something bucks, 840 for all of them.
Might as well just go on vacation more often, huh?
Yeah, Chris has been off for a while, and it's been really nice and quiet. So, all right, it's empty.
Like, subscribe.
Oh, I didn't even
know.
say it. Make sure to subscribe. Help support us and my family. My kids like to eat. You too can help feed my kids if you just subscribe.
I'm one of his kids, and I like to eat too.
Yeah. Next time you see Chris, he'll look
Man,
Ethiopian. I don't know if that's right. Maybe that's not right to say.
pretty sure you can't say that.
Or I know, because I almost said Philadelphia, Tom Hanks, and I just said it, so that's my fault. That's what we got for you guys. We'll be back. Make sure to subscribe, share us, and we'll get to the next shipment. See you guys soon.